Everyone, here I am at a beautiful river. Welcome to my show. Today, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about letting go. Sometimes, as you can see, oh my God, it's just a beautiful river right here. It's beautiful. Here I am breathing the fresh air. So, today I'm just gonna try to tell you some wisdom going on here. Sometimes you're trying to gain so much of things outside of you, trying to fill your holes, fulfill social expectation, and then how come everything is not enough? My advice to you, it's never gonna be enough. So, but you always have to try. That's basic of life, is to always try and make it work and make an effort to make a living, to do everything better. But what I'm trying to say to you is that look at the nature, it's beautiful. For me, I feel like when I just let go, it's a vacation, you know. I forgot everything about my home, my relatives. It's just me, and you feel the nature, letting go of everything. Try to, save your time to be yourself a little bit, and you really feel like yourself, and that's when you are really happy, you know. It's not that you are filled by everything in order to be happy. It's just that you just let go, like have some time off, disconnect everything out of your life, and you feel true happy, like right now. Try to escape, make a getaway, or to for you to actually feel like you're living, not that you're chasing something, So that's my advice to you guys. Try to make a vacation for yourself, unplug everything, and not condition with you have to have something in order to be happy. It's neurotic. Okay, stay tuned with my channel, and I see you guys for the next wisdom. Bye bye.